Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start with the essentials, power and space. Once done, power off and unplug the system. Make sure to ground yourself with an anti-static wrist strap. Remove the case panel, then clear the adjacent PCIe slot area so you can seat a second GPU. You should confirm BIOS settings allow multi-GPU and that your PSU has the necessary 8-pin and 6-pin connectors. This step prevents surprises. Do not skip checking physical clearance and power cable routing. You now install the GPU. Align and press the card down until the retention clip clicks and fasten the bracket screws. Once done, connect each GPU to the PSU using the correct 6-pin or 8-pin connectors. Make sure cables do not block fans. Power on, enter BIOS, and enable any multi-GPU options, above 4G decoding or PCIe bifurcation for some boards. After saving settings, boot into your OS so you can install or update GPU drivers and vendor utilities for configuration. You finish by installing the latest GPU drivers and configuring SLI or NVLink when supported. Otherwise, set up software multi-GPU rendering in your application. Once done, run a stress test or benchmark to verify both GPUs are recognized and stable. Monitor temperatures and power draw closely. If something fails, make sure to reseat the card and cables, swap to a different PCIe slot, check PSU rail limits, and update BIOS or drivers. These steps fix most detection and stability issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.